Hey everyone, this is Sabrina, and I am going to be sharing with you 4 little stories for October daily. This first one is kind of a filler page, but it actually worked out as a great place to kind of document my home decor. And I just put it on the back of that Pioneer photo, and I used the Pattern Play stamp set from Feed Your Craft, which I absolutely love. And I put some stamping up at the top, some stars, a little like grid of circles, and then I think one other star color I decided to do, black stars. So I did several different stamps up there, and then I'll put my photo down. And I also found that banner on the left that was in my stash, I think from last year. And now it has the perfect home, and I feel like it just coordinated perfectly with my photo and the colors that I chose for my title. I cut my title out with my Cameo, and I chose a title that I saw Veronica do, Home Sweet Haunted Home. My Cameo kind of goofed, and the other H that I need, it slipped, so I'm gonna cut that out by hand and just do my best. And then Haunted, I cut out as like a black script, but in a second you'll see that I tried to put the word together and I didn't have the T. But it actually worked out for the better because I find kind of this mustard yellow. I just love this color. I don't know exactly what the color name is, but it's a pretty yellow for fall. And I matted the outline of the cut of Autumn, or excuse me, Haunted, and I cut that out and then I distressed it, and I actually really love that a lot better than actually having the blacked script word. So I put that down towards the bottom right of my photo in the negative space, and then I will add in the word home. And this is where I had to fussy cut out the H, and I think I did a pretty good job overall. I traced the other H that I had, so that helped out. I am going to add some more of the same stamped patterns up by the top of the Haunted and Home, and then down at the bottom, just so that way there is more stamping and just it allowed for more movement of your eye around the page. And I'll finish up with one big star stamping in the same type of yellow color. I think this ink is from Ali Edwards, and I don't remember the name of it, but I love it. It's a great dark yellow for fall. All right, so that filler page is all done, and I'm going to move on to a simple story about myself and a currently page. I wanted to document just like what was going on last week, and so I used some paper that I got from Joann's and some prompts, and I'm just going to put together this page and call it simple and done. I have noticed that my kids are getting older, we're so busy with soccer, that it really just makes more sense to just not force it, and if there's less to document, that's fine. I will still have an awesome album, and that's more important, to have a great album that's documenting these stories, whatever stories those are, and to not force it. So that is what I am discovering this month. So things are a little different, right? Seasons of life. So I cut out the right now, and I'm going to give that kind of a foundation and a base by using the same black and orange papers on that beautiful 4x6 card that I have. And I'll pop dot the right now as well. And the prompts that I picked was reading, watching, favorite season, all the candy, making, loving, and thankful for. And I'll just fill in those prompts, and I put reading spooky books. I'm reading a lot of spooky books this month, and my husband and I are watching Wynonna Earp, and I'm loving the change in weather. I'm definitely a fall loving person. Also thankful for best friends and loving a fun Target trip. I mean, who doesn't love a Target trip? So these 2 little cards are done, and now I will move on to the next page. So this one was the candy page, and it was kind of a filler, but it wound up being a great spot to document candy. I saw that Crystal had done candy as well. I'll leave her video up in the eye, but she did some candy in a 2x2 pocket page, and I already had this one prepped, so I decided to just have my kids collect some candy, and I added in my Reese's peanut butter cup wrapper, and so I'm just collecting the wrappers, and I'll add those in. For the actual page, I used my pre-made card candy, and then I added in a bunch of fun candy stickers, and then all of our initials down at the bottom. And I'll add in 1, 2, 3, and I'll put in our 3 favorites for 3 favorite candies. And that will wrap up this page. Super simple, super easy. And if you saw in the beginning, my pink scrap it was a pink scrap of paper, but you can't tell now that it's hidden behind the candy 3x4. Added a fun little bucket of candy to each of our names and called it done. And I'll move on to the next story. So this next one is my daughter and her decorations. She absolutely loves decorating the front yard, and I used the back of the Wednesday Addams insert, and so I did a large photo of my daughter. And then there's a 12 by 12 sheet, and you know you can cut out the little phrases. It's like a cut apart sheet. I took one of those cut aparts, one that I wasn't going to use, and I cut very thin strips to make this really fun frame. And I hung some of them off the edge, some of them not, and I made it just a little wonky and fun. I also took some more stars and tucked them in. That's kind of another thing I've done throughout this album. So I have orange stars and I have glitter cardstock stars. And I put one glitter black star over a green plant. That way you couldn't see the green plant. I wanted to take out some of the green. And I'll add a few more to the other right side where that happy haunting card is. Pop dotting the beware, which was another piece of the cut apart sheet, and I took one of the phrases, really small one that says hocus pocus, and I put that in the middle of the 4x6 collage. And then I will just journal at the bottom about how my daughter picked out this brand new Grim Reaper, that was her choice, for a blow up, and she was so thrilled. And she also really enjoyed putting our 2 glow-in-the-dark skeletons next to each other on the lawn. She said they're married and now they're dead together. You gotta love the things that kids say. Kids say the best things, right? So I'm just finishing up with this, and then it will be done, and I'll have 4 more stories to add to my October daily album. Hey friends, I just wanted to come back and show you the pages in the album. So this is the filler page for Home Sweet Haunted Home. I did add 2 Puffy Ghost too as well. Too bad I don't have any Puffy Owl stickers. That would have been much better. But that's that page. And then we go over to the candy page, and I filled in all our favorites. And then I have this, and I stamped on here, and I added in 1 more candy piece. So now I only need 1 more candy, and I'm not sure which candy that'll be, but I will find it. The next one is my daughter with her decorations. She's so excited. And then the currently page for myself and just doing some prompts. So 4 little pieces for October Daily, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing another October Daily video. We are almost done with this project, and I hope you guys have continued to enjoy my videos. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you want to keep seeing my videos. All right, I hope you have a great day. Bye.